People ask how to start gardening. Always start with the soil. Soil is always the first principle. Life comes from soil. Finding soil might be a little easier than you think. First place to look, your yard. Topsoil there, unless it's been weed killed, if you've been putting a lot of chemicals in it, then we're not going to want you to use that. If in the building of your house they removed all the topsoil or just put a bunch of rubble, that might be a problem. But you probably have some decent topsoil. You can rob Peter to pay Paul. Scrape it together. Your lawn only needs a couple inches of topsoil. Your garden needs more. 6 or 8 is much better. So that's why the raised bed can be very helpful. Gather together the topsoil, maybe pull up the grass, shake off the soil, dig down. You can see when it changes color. Just take the top several inches and build it up. If you can't do that, go to a store. Don't buy potting soil, that's just for pots. Buy topsoil or garden soil. And that's where you're gonna have to begin. It might not already really be so much of a living thing the way that the soil in your yard would have been, but you're gonna treat it like a living thing. You're gonna turn it into a living thing by cultivating soil as the home of life. You're gonna take care of your soil, and your soil is gonna take care of your plants.